一年一届的凯达格兰论坛今日举行，总统赖清德伫咧开幕时阵有致辞，英国前首相江森也有来。赖总统强调政府会维持现状，确保台海和平稳定，而且也答应讲会继续提升自我防卫能力。也那江森是批评讲，中国是一直用军事伫咧威胁恐吓台湾，呼吁北京不应该用武力侵犯台湾，也期待更较侪欧美国家会当明确来表态支持台湾。
你好 ，everybody。
你好。
现在用台语问候礼拜来台的英国前首相强生受邀参加凯达格兰论坛，甲总统赖清德互动热情。合手的时阵，赖总统特别讲到，正认同强生2024年出版的回忆录对乌克兰俄乌战争、印太议题观点。致辞时表示，政府维持现状，确保台海和平稳定，佮承诺继续提高自我防卫能力。
We are continuing to reform and invest even more resources in our national defense. Next year's defense budget will reach a target of over 3% of GDP.
As China intensifies its pressure on Taiwan, I hope that we all, the West, America, the UK, all Europeans, will have the courage not to tiptoe away, not to be cowed by our desire to be deferential to Beijing, but to stand with Taiwan and to deepen our economic partnership.
俄罗台湾是一个民主自由的国家，强生过去虽然自称是亲中派，不过这摆展现挺台态度，批评中国霸凌台湾的行为无正当性，或者欧美国家应该明确表态支持台湾。好外界形容是英国版的川普，强生也对这摆台美关系谈判提出建议。
Here's an idea. What Donald Trump likes is deals. Come up with a deal. That's what I'd say. I believe that the president is fundamentally a big supporter of Taiwan. I'm sure of this. His presidency is going to perpetuate a free, democratic Taiwan.
强生认为，就算川普对台湾维持战略模糊，不过伊依然维护自由甲民主。佮强调，英国甲台湾共享同款的价值，两国政府应该共同合作，继续深化经济友好关系。记者综合报道。